Are you looking for the auto-rotating car brush? In this video, we will show the 4 best auto-rotating car brush. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Spinning Car Wash Brush Soft Microfiber Auto-Rotate Car Brush Mop with Soap Dispenser. Exterior Car Cleaning Brush attached to hose. Long Handle Scrubber. Brand, Tech. Color, Rotary Car Wash Brush. Handle Material, Plastic. Material, Microfiber. Flow-Through Brush, easy to connect to garden hose with an on-off valve to control water flow through the brush head. 360-degree rotate automatically by water power, no electricity needed, with adjustable 3-gear soap dispenser. No scratch soft bristles, soft and durable chenille microfiber bristles to prevent scratching, with better resilience and not easily deformed. Easy to hold to wash with long handle, 47 inches longest. You can reach into the roof, hood, side window wheel, or nooks of car. Multifunctional use. Wash your car, clean the floor, garden water sprinkler, watering flower. Package lists. 1 car wash brush, 1 soap dispenser, 2 connecting poles, 2 quick connector, 1 switch on-off, 1 user guide. Please make sure each connection parts have rubber seals to avoid leaking.
Number 2. MOOver 39 Extendable Snow Brush with Squeegee and Ice Scraper. Foam Grip, Auto Snow Brush, Auto Ice Scraper, Car, Truck, SUV. Snow Removal Tool. The MOOver 39 Extendable Snow Brush with Detachable Ice Scraper is designed for efficient winter car care. It features a wide squeegee, bristle head, and lightweight aluminum body. Easily assemble for use or disassemble for compact storage when not in season. Extendable design. The brush extends up to 39 inches, allowing you to reach the middle of windshields and car roofs. This makes it ideal for vehicles like SUVs and small trucks. The lightweight aluminum body ensures easy handling. Detachable Ice Scraper. The removable ice scraper breaks and removes ice without damaging your car. Its sturdy construction and ergonomic grip provide a comfortable and efficient scraping experience, essential for clearing ice quickly. Double-sided brush head. The double-sided brush head includes a wide squeegee for removing water and slush and thick bristles for brushing away snow. This versatile design adapts to different winter conditions for thorough cleaning.
Number 3. Cordless Power Drill Cleaning Tools Electric Spin Scrubber. Extra large brush, 1500 RPM high-power electric scrubber for cleaning. Adjustable extension handle for tub, tile, floor, car. 7 brushes. Brand, Jovant. Voltage, 20 volts. Battery cell composition, lithium-ion. Number of batteries, 2A batteries required, included. Item torque, 50 Newton meters. Dual speed for precise cleaning. Jovant electric scrubber engineered with dual adjustable speed. 0 to 450 RPM for gentle surface care. 0 to 1500 RPM for tough grime removal. Especially max mode. The power is very strong, originating from the use of an upgraded double bearing. Other scrubber power only 380 RPM. This power scrubber delivers precise control for all your cleaning tasks with the included brush heads. It efficiently eliminates calcium deposits, tile grout, and water stains without scratching delicate surfaces, making it the ideal drill brush for powered cleaning tasks in bathrooms, kitchens, cars, floor, and outdoor spaces.
Number 4. 55 PCS Car Detailing Kit Interior Cleaner with High-Power Handheld Vacuum Car Detailing Brush Set Car Cleaning Kit Drill Brush Set Car Cleaning Tools Brushes for Interior, Exterior, Wheels 55 PCS Red Car Wash Kit 1 high-power car vacuum cleaner, 4 drill brush attachment set, and 2 polishing pads, 2 large wash mitt, and 1 backer, 1 hub brush, 2 car windshield cleaning tool, 3 replaceable microfiber pads, 2 towel, 1 tire brush, 1 duster brush, 1 air conditioner brush, 5 car detailing brush, 3 wire brush, 2 cleaning gel, 2 car wash sponge, 1 cleaning brush, 1 storage bag, drill not include. This car detailing kit including almost everything for the whole car cleaning and detailing.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.